Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating a Fitzpatrick hammer mill for you today. We're operating on 223 phase voltage. This is a direct coupled unit with a 15 horsepower drive. Running quiet and smooth. Rotor's well balanced. I'll do some quick maintenance on it, make sure it runs good, lubrication and such. We have lots of mills, process equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.